Welcome to Summarize Science. Ever wished you could build an application just by describing what you wanted to do? That idea is no longer science fiction, thanks to an explosion of tools called zero-code LLM platforms. Today, we're diving into a research paper that provides a fantastic review of these incredible new tools that are changing who can create software. The paper explains that large language models, or LLMs, which are the brains behind services like ChatGPT, are now being used to build applications without writing a single line of code. Imagine telling an AI, "Build me a simple website to track my daily tasks," and watching it generate the entire thing for you. The researchers found that these tools generally fall into two main categories. First, there are platforms built specifically for creating AI agents, like OpenAI's custom GPTs or tools like Bolt.new. Then, there are general-purpose app builders, like Bubble or Glide, which have been around for a while but are now integrating powerful AI capabilities into their existing visual editors. The paper presents a handy taxonomy, or classification system, to help understand how all these different platforms work. Some let you build an app just by having a conversation with an AI, where you give it instructions in plain English. Others use a visual, drag-and-drop interface, where you connect different AI functions together like Lego blocks. It's the difference between telling a chef what to cook versus putting the ingredients together yourself. The review provides a detailed comparison, highlighting what each platform is good at. For example, a tool called Bolt.new can generate the code for a full-stack web app from a simple chat prompt. Meanwhile, an open-source platform like Flowise lets you visually design complex AI workflows, giving you more control over the process. But, as the paper points out, it's not all magic. There are important trade-offs to consider. These zero-code tools are amazing for quickly building prototypes and internal tools, but they often sacrifice the deep flexibility and control that comes with traditional coding. Think of it like the difference between using a pre-packaged meal kit versus cooking a gourmet meal from scratch with your own unique ingredients. Other challenges include the risk of vendor lock-in, where your application becomes dependent on a single company's platform. And even though it's called no-code, users still need to develop good prompt engineering skills to give the AI clear and effective instructions. So, to recap, this research provides a fantastic map of a new and rapidly growing landscape. Zero-code LLM platforms are successfully making it possible for almost anyone to become an app creator, using natural language as their main tool. They dramatically lower the barrier to entry, empowering people without technical backgrounds to build surprisingly sophisticated software. The researchers conclude that while challenges in reliability and customizability still exist, the future of this technology is incredibly bright. They predict we'll soon see more platforms that can handle not just text, but also images, voice, and video as inputs and outputs. We might also see more on-device AI, allowing for apps that work offline and with better privacy. Ultimately, the line between a developer and a non-developer will continue to blur. As these tools get smarter and more capable, the dream of software by anyone gets closer to being our everyday reality.